And I know we heard about many companies yesterday and great startups that are disrupting or trying to disrupt the industry. But personally, I think that we haven't seen that yet happening in the logistics space. Disruption is not yet here. And I'll be very happy to have conversation after through the day with startups and people that they think they are disrupting the industry. But we haven't seen anything like what we've seen in the media industry with Netflix, or what we've seen in the banking industry with WeChat. I don't know how many of you have used WeChat, but I used to live in China for 4 years before I moved to the US. And I went back 2 years ago, and when I went to buy a coffee, and I pulled my credit card to pay, and the people look at me like I pulled, like if I was a dinosaur. If I pulled, a Nokia phone or a BlackBerry phone of 15 years ago. And I said, why? They said, you don't have WeChat? I said, I don't have WeChat. They said, nobody pays with cash. Nobody pays with credit card anymore. Everybody pays in digital currency. And I said, well, interesting, because China used to be a cash economy. And today, if you look at financial industry, you have 17 trillion of digital transaction. This is more than the US GDP every year. So these are the type of disruption. Or if we think about retail, we can obviously talk about Amazon, but also other companies in the space that are moving in that disruption. So I'm not saying that there is no innovation. What I'm saying is that we're going to see a significant shift and a significant movement in the coming years in the logistics space, and specifically we're going to talk about last mile. There have been tremendous investments in the industry. If you look at startup investment, more than 6,000 startups have been created since 2011 with more than 20 billion of investment.